Today, we're gonna talk about how to do goblet squats. The same tips applies as the normal squats. The video is already uploaded on our YouTube channel. You can find the link below. As for the execution of the goblet squats, it can be done either with a kettlebell or with a dumbbell. And we're gonna demonstrate both ways to use it. First, start by standing up with legs shoulder width apart and toes rotated a little bit outwards. Grab the kettlebell and place it at chest level. And make sure to tuck your elbows in so the weight is distributed on your whole body and not only your shoulders. Start with a slight hip hinge by moving your hips backward and then go down as much as your mobility allows and then stand up. Make sure to keep your upper body upright, core engaged throughout the whole movement. Don't forget to keep pushing your knees out so they don't cave in, as it will risk injuries. Keep on repeating until the set is complete. As for the dumbbell, the same tips applies as the kettlebell goblet squats. The only thing that differs is the way we hold it. So either we hold it just like the kettlebell by tucking the elbows in, and if you're not comfortable with this position, you can grab it horizontally from both sides, tuck your elbows in, and start executing the squats.